I'm an introvert, so starting a YouTube channel like this feels kinda scary. Like doing that one thing I usually avoid, which is saying things out loud before it's even ready. I'm the kind of person who usually moves quietly. I don't like announcing things too early, so making videos while I'm still kind of figuring things out feels uncomfortable. But I think that's exactly why I need to do it. Because if I keep waiting until everything is perfect, I'll probably keep most of my thoughts to myself forever. Over the past decade, I've helped countless businesses with their branding and marketing while growing a 7-figure creative agency. So this channel is me building more openly. I'll share about how I can help early stage business owners, especially the solo founders, freelancers, agency owners, on building a life and business that actually makes sense for you. Hi, I'm Brian, and if this is the first video you're seeing from me, you're at the right place. Because I think if you're going to spend time watching my other videos, you deserve to know who you're actually listening to. Just to set some context, I'm currently in Australia. I moved here from Malaysia last year. Wherever you're watching this video from, let me know in the comment section below on which country are you from. So back to my story, I used to be ashamed that I am an introvert. Growing up, I was always the quiet one in the group. I'm actually happy to be around people, but mostly just absorbing, listening, taking it all in, My friends knew me as the secret keeper, which honestly I think it's just another way of saying I didn't talk much and their secrets are safe. I grew up in Malaysia, so switching between different languages was normal for us. Even if you start a sentence in English and finish it in Chinese or Malay, people would still understand what you said if you're a Malaysian. But that would also mean that when I needed to communicate clearly, in a proper structured way, formal context for example, I tend to get stuck for a bit because my head is just processing what I wanted to say before I actually say it. I would overprocess my thoughts. Honestly, I still do most of the time. Although English is still my primary language to speak, it doesn't feel like it because the tendency to think in different languages in my head that affects my fluency as well. So the fact that I'm sitting here recording a YouTube video talking directly to the camera, I'm actually using this platform to be a practice opportunity for me to become hopefully a better and more confident speaker. As an introvert, putting myself out here is daunting, but I'm doing it anyway. So here's what changed over the years. Life kept pushing me out of my comfort zone. I started Blank Slate, a creative agency business that will mean me going on pitches, selling to clients, standing in front of a room, representing something I had built. I directed, I produced film and commercial projects. I spoke to a lecture hall full of students, and slowly I wasn't that shy, awkward kid anymore. But one thing stayed the same. Everything that I was building, all that credibility, all that experience, was actually going into my agency. People knew what Blank Slate did. They didn't really know who I was. For 13 years as an agency owner, I was the person behind the brand, not the brand itself. And then in 2025, I moved to Western Australia with my wife and I basically started over. New country, new market, no existing network here. And that's when it became obvious to me that I needed to stop using my company as my identity and actually show up as myself. So that's a big part of why this channel exists. But it's not just about me. I want to reach out to people like you watching this, specifically if you're a solo founder, business owner, maybe you're a designer, a videographer, or a creative of some kind, maybe a consultant or even a content creator. And you're doing the work, you're getting clients, but something still feels off. It doesn't feel like you're going anywhere because your path ahead isn't clear enough. I know that feeling, and that is exactly what I want to help you with. Because I've spent years watching talented, skillful people get stuck because they're not even sure if they're doing the right thing. Sometimes what they need is clarity. Sometimes it's better positioning, or rather someone to ask them what is it that they really want to build and work towards. Now, I'm not saying I'm the best at this. I don't have everything figured out, but what I can tell you is I've been in this hole building, pivoting, and rebuilding journey, I've learned to unlearn and relearn again. I was in my comfort zone back in Malaysia and then being out of it and relocating to a new country. So at the very least, I've had my fair share of experiences to be able to share the things that would be valuable to people, especially if you're just starting out, thinking of building or in the midst of building a business. You can check out my other videos and then decide if you want to follow my journey. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.